How to make natural glue when the world's dead, your knife just snapped in half, and the raiders are getting close. You're in the ruins of a pharmacy that smells like rat piss and regret.
Power's been out since the sky turned orange. Water's either glowing or gone. And now your last knife, your beautiful, jury-rigged, razor-edged masterpiece, just shattered like your last shred of hope. The handle's cracked, the blade stuck in a raider's skull. Worth it. And you've got nothing to fix your gear but wishful thinking. No glue, no tape, no Amazon Prime. Just dust, despair, and a backpack full of broken things that could save your life if they stayed together. Good news. Nature's a clinging ex. And today, we're making glue from things that used to be dinner. Step 1. Find bones. Not just any bones. The chewed-up leftovers from last week's mystery meat stew. The ones with sinew still hanging off like nature's gristle confetti. Boil them. Yeah, in that dented pot you found in a bathtub. Add water, clean water, which means you either filtered it through sand and charcoal or just prayed hard while drinking it. Boil those bones like you're summoning a spirit, because you are. The spirit of adhesion. Simmer for hours until the broth turns thick, slimy, and smells like regret and collagen.
That goo, that's protein gold, specifically gelatin, the sticky ghost of dead animals. It's what held them together in life. Now it'll hold your life together. Morality? Gone with the internet. Effectiveness? Off the charts. Skim the gunk, strain it through a torn shirt, bonus points if it's not yours, and let it cool. It'll thicken into a waxy, translucent slime. That's your glue. Natural, edible, and about as stable as a nervous raccoon.
Now, want to make it stronger? Add ash. Wood ash from your fire. Not the black soot, the white powdery stuff that looks like the world's saddest snow. Mix it in. Why? Because alkali ash tweaks the protein structure, makes it less snot, more, I will not let this spearhead fall off again. Science, baby. Also witchcraft. Hard to tell the difference now. Apply it hot. Smear it on wood, bone, or whatever you're trying to bond. Clamp it with rocks, rags, or your teeth if you're really desperate. Let it dry. Overnight. In the cold. Because gelatin sets when it's chilled, just like your soul. Will it hold? Maybe. If the humidity's low, the surface was clean, and you didn't sneeze on it. If it works, your spear stays intact, your knife handle stays on, your bow doesn't snap mid-draw. If it fails, well, at least you can eat the glue. Zero waste, maximum desperation. This isn't crafting. This is combat maintenance. Every broken tool is a countdown to death. Every fix is a middle finger to the apocalypse. And if you're out of bones, don't worry. You'll make more. One way or another. Stay sticky. Stay alive.